Want to take your email marketing to the next level by adding personalized content to your Mailchimp emails? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to do just that in a few easy steps. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or looking for advanced tricks, adding personalization can drastically improve engagement and click rates for your campaigns. Plus, stay tuned until the end for a special offer that could save you a ton of money. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Mailchimp for free from the link below, and we've got exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Now, let's jump straight into how to personalize your Mailchimp emails. First thing, let's talk about how to use merge tags. Merge tags are key to adding personalized content like first names, company names, or any other dynamic data you have on your subscribers. To do this, you just need to enter the merge tag directly in your email content. For example, if you want to greet someone by their first name, you'd use name in the subject line or body of your email, and Mailchimp will automatically fill in their name when the email is sent out. Next thing, consider segmenting your audience. This allows you to send targeted emails based on user behavior, preferences, or demographics. You can set up segments like people who opened last month's email or customers who bought X product, and then personalize the content for each group. This way, the content is even more relevant to each individual subscriber, making it far more effective. The third thing you can do is set up automation. Automated campaigns in Mailchimp allow you to send personalized content at just the right moment, such as when someone subscribes, abandons their cart, or reaches a milestone. These emails can automatically include dynamic product recommendations or other personalized content based on the user's actions, making them feel more engaged and valued. The fourth thing, let's talk about conditional content. This is a great way to show different content to different people within the same email. For example, you can use conditional blocks to show a special offer to people who are on your VIP list and a general discount to the rest. It's a powerful way to ensure that every recipient gets the most relevant and personalized experience. Next, let's touch on how you can use personalized subject lines. Studies show that personalized subject lines improve open rates significantly. Using merge tags in your subject line, like name, can grab the attention of your recipients and encourage them to open the email. Just imagine getting an email with the subject line, "Hey, first name, we've got something special for you." It immediately feels more tailored and personal. Finally, don't forget about testing. Before sending your personalized emails to your entire list, use Mailchimp's A/B testing feature to try out different personalized versions. You can test things like subject lines, merge tags, or dynamic content blocks to see what resonates most with your audience. To wrap up, if you want to take full advantage of all these personalization features in Mailchimp, don't forget that you can get started for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses just for you. And there you have it. Personalized content in your emails is easier than you think, and Mailchimp has all the tools you need to make it happen. If you're looking for even more advanced features, be sure to check out our exclusive and extended free trial available through the link below. Happy emailing!